Well, Brother Greg, I want to ask you about this because you said something about tattoos. And when I thought about tattoos in this country, I'm thinking about athletes and people's reactions to athletes, especially ones with tattoos. But also, I want to get your take on what happened last weekend with a brother named Richard Sherman, the quarterback for the Seahawks. The response to him afterwards, the backlash from social media and other places.
You see, it don't bother him, don't you?
Well, I couldn't hear you. What was the last part?
You see, it's not bothering him.
Oh, no, sir. It seems like he's kind of pretty well. Mm-hmm.
You see how much space he gets, right?
Mm-hmm.
Watch this. What two cities are they playing in?
Seattle and Denver.
Huh?
Seattle and Denver. They're going to be playing in New Jersey, but Seattle and Denver.
Okay, no. What state?
Okay, Washington and Colorado.
Okay. What two states have legalized marijuana?
Washington and Colorado.
Okay.
High times, huh? Okay.